Pauline here from Zilch Beauty, certified makeup artist, back with another Subtl tutorial. Today we are focusing on the brand new Subtl blush collection. It's a blush collection of 3 powder blush shades, which is new for Subtl, and I'm so excited to be walking you through all 3 of them. They live in the pink world, but they're all slightly different. So the first shade that we have is Pink in a Pinch, which I would say is really a true pink. It's this bright little pop of pink. I think this would look so pretty for summer. And then we have Blossom Bound. This is almost like a more cool tone pink. If you stray on the cooler side of an undertone or just don't want that like pop of color as much, this will be a really nice neutral pink to try out. And then we have Daytrip at Dawn, which is almost a little bit warmer of a shade. I really like this one. It's almost similar to the Dusty Rose Lip and Cheek, that it has that warmer undertone versus the Blossom Bound, which is that cooler undertone. So you have some really great options here. And now I'm going to show you how to best apply for your face shape. So we've talked about face shapes a couple of times on the Subtl channel. Clover, you want to learn about the blushes? So I'm going to talk today about how to apply blush for your face shape. We've talked about face shape several times on the Subtl channel, but I'm going to kind of just remind you that there are different ways to place these on your face. So some of the main face shapes that I see as a makeup artist are round, oval, square. We have a heart face shape. Those are like the core, I would say. You have different techniques for applying for those. So I think I'm almost like between a round and a square. I have like a bit of a more square jawline, but I'm pretty symmetrical. I'm not oval in the sense that like I'm longer. So I'm almost between square and round. But if you have a round face shape, typically you don't want to focus a lot of product right in the middle of your cheeks, because that's just going to accentuate the roundness of your face. Since you already have that going on naturally, what I like to do, and let's go ahead and use Pink in a Pinch, and I'm going to use our blush brush from the travel kit. What I like to do, I'll show you on this side, for any like rounder or more symmetrical shapes like a square, I like to actually place my blush up slightly higher than I would on an oval or round or rectangle shape, just because it's almost going to start to lift the face. And you can see here, these blushes are very pigmented. So I'm really just working that shade up the top half of my cheekbone and almost like up right under my eye and into that hairline. And I even might pull a little bit of that excess right up into my hairline up here. So you can see that blush is living a little bit higher, which again, for those symmetrical face shapes is going to help lengthen and kind of create almost like an illusion of an angle that's not really there. Now, if you have an oval face shape, or you have a face that, you know, you want it to look a little bit more plump, or you just want a little more roundness to the cheeks, I would actually recommend starting a little bit lower to, again, really accentuate that middle place of the cheek. So I like to kind of start right at the middle. I don't know, I feel like it's the middle between your lip and your hairline. So like if I were to do that, almost like a protractor, that's where I like to kind of start. And then I just like to build out in circles. So again, if you want to kind of bring that full look to the face, that full kind of plump, juicy look to the face, you can really get that more round vibe by starting right in the middle of the cheek versus over here, which can be a little bit more lifted. Both are really pretty depending on the day. I kind of go back and forth, but it's really up to you for personal preference. There's no right way to do anything for your face shape. It's really just how you like it. But these are typically complementary ways of applying your blush for those face shapes. If you found this video educational or you liked it, we have a ton more videos showing effortless, easy makeup application tips and tricks on our channel. So definitely subscribe, like, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Bye.